Hello, and welcome to Go Pronunciation, lesson number 5. In this lesson we are practicing the V sound at the beginning of the word. Firstly, let's try to make the sound. Look at the pictures on the left, and read the box. To make an V sound, you push your bottom lip slightly under your front teeth. Then push the lip out. You push hard, and make a sound like this. V. 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 Okay. Now, look at the left side of the table. At column 1. Listen and repeat. Van, vat, valve, valley, vanish. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Van, vat, valve, valley, vanish. Okay. Now, look at column 2. Listen and repeat. Vet, vest, velvet, very, venture. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Vet, vest, velvet, very, venture. Okay. Now, look at column 3. Listen and repeat. Vim, villain, village, vinegar, vivid. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Vim, villain, village, vinegar, vivid. Okay. Now, look at column 4. Listen and repeat. Volley, volume, volcano, volunteer, vomit. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Volley, volume, volcano, volunteer, vomit. Okay. Now, look at column 5. Listen and repeat. Vuln, vulture, vulgar, vulnerable. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Vuln, vulture, vulgar, vulnerable. Good work, let's go to the next slide. So, here we are, slide number 2. Now we will do sentence pronunciation drills. Number 1. Listen and repeat. Victor's van vanished before every velvet vest. Okay. Repeat again. Victor's van vanished before every velvet vest. Great work, let's go to number 2. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 2. Very vivid villagers visited the villa, carrying vinegar and velvet. Okay. Repeat again. Very vivid villagers visited the villa, carrying vinegar and velvet. Great work, let's go to number 3. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 3. Veteran volunteers volleyed volleyballs beside every volcano. Okay. Repeat, again. Veteran volunteers volleyed volleyballs beside every volcano. Great work, let's go to number 4. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 4. The vet valued every velvet vest in Victor's village van. The vet valued every velvet vest in Victor's village van. Great work, let's go to number 5. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 5. Vigorous volunteers visited the valley, avoiding vulgar vultures and vomit. Okay, repeat again. Vigorous volunteers visited the valley, avoiding vulgar vultures and vomit. Okay, great work everyone. That finishes our drills for the day. Please write a comment below, and like, and subscribe. Goodbye for now, from Go Pronunciation.